Tall Ricky Worldwide dropped a song called Chomi and is sitting on 600,000 views on all streaming platforms. So Tall Ricky is a rapper and a fashion designer from Cape Town, and he has started his Spotify account for 2022. 2023, early 2023, he joined a competition, Cotton Fest competition, which he won. He got to perform Cotton Fest. Ilanduka, MC of that show, Cotton Fest show, was Mosley, and then he became friends with Mosley. So yeah, 2023. I mean, that was 2023, early 2023. So 2024, he dropped a EP titled Ndieza, and then on that EP, intro yala EP, Mosley sent him a message like motivating him about the journey that is taking for the industry, right? And on that EP, there was features from Apple Legend and some of the big artists of the Xhosa Wave. He featured some of the big artists, the Xhosa Wave. And then yeah, he dropped that EP. That EP had like 26,000 streams. And then like 2 months later, after he dropped that EP, he dropped a song named Chom. That EP was like 26,000 streams when he dropped that song called Chom. And then the song called Chomi, they did a challenge for it, right? TikTok challenge. And then on that TikTok challenge, Isita the Enemy Cast joined in on that TikTok challenge for the song Etichomi Gatol Ricky Worldwide. Isita the Enemy Cast, the soap on TV, SAETV, which plays from 7:30, from 7:30, right? I think from 7:30 ku ETV weekdays, from 7:30 to 10 ku ETV. Isita the Enemy Cast joined in on that TikTok challenge, which made the song interesting, which got everybody excited about the song. Etichomi Gatol Ricky Worldwide. Everybody was excited about the song.
Vusa 1 vusa 12 ndidikushoda idash uthi imali isekhadini kuwe awunayo cash qonda kutheka wenza isense she be like baby ndiyeza and ndiphethe igas so namhlanje popping bottles ndikasizusela black akapose ezifuna ubamba isek ndizulise ngehug cause ngifuna umbone back ungaseli naw uba unayo imali skele masisibhayi barungayi nqayi ikas and egas almost every day shy party body count I think ipako high suka ndazi nabaXhosa bong Sotho nabaswati.
After they were excited before it dropped, but after the TikTok challenge from Isita the Enemy Cast, everybody was like, okay, this is interesting, you know me. And then the views of the song kept on like going up and up and up and up. 100,000 views, 2,000, 200,000 views, 300,000. Nami right now is sitting on 600,000 views as we speak. I don't know, they haven't dropped the video yet as I'm making this video, right? Or as I'm talking right here, they haven't made the music video for the song. They are working on it, and yeah, it's on 600,000 views. Yeah, on top of that, like Amifa, who has played the song also, like he made a state he made a Facebook status playing the song called Chom. He was playing the song with status. I mean, besides Amifa playing the song with status, there is Ulanduka Usonwabile Dovi, the YouTuber. The YouTuber named Sonwabile Dovi naye there's going to be a remix Chom, the song called Chom, and then Sonwabile Dovi is going to be on that remix. If you don't know Sonwabile Dovi, he is like a YouTuber, a successful YouTuber with over with over 100,000 subscribers. He has interviews with Joseph Diary Joseph Diary. He has interviews, not Joseph Diary. Yeah, uSonwabile Dovin unayo nengoma noBlake ethi Abekho. Yabo featurise uBlake, unengoma noBlake, ine-music video laa ngoma and iyadlala nase-TV. Yabo usayinwe ngu-Africori. Yabo laa ngoma ithi Abekho ayenza noBlake ina 200,000 views ku-YouTube. I think it's ingoma yodwa or something. I'm not sure noba ivideo yengoma nale ne-200,000 views. But yeah, uSonwabile uyaziwa lawe. He's like a well-known YouTuber. Yabo once even dated laa nto iCherica Ghost Lubi boza behlukene sometime. I think 2023 Ghost Lubi zayehlukene neCherry yakhe noSima, and then laa nto uSonwabile wenza ivideo lawe like yabo aphuza khona laa nto kuSima publicly, kwi-live video aphuza noSima iCherica Ghost Lubi. So nami uyaziwa lawe. So yeah, so izaba yabo uTolrick xa yenze ingoma noSonwabile, and if banokwenza i-music video for laa ngoma yabo, that's made even still Tolrick eTV-ni. You never know, dog. So yeah, I don't even know uba ngobani abanye abantu bakulaa, but yeah, Tolrick is big, dog. He's doing very very well. Iingoma zakhe ziyalayikhwa ngoAnathi. Ulanduka uYounger Chief uyamfollowisha kuTikTok. So yeah, and he has a song ezayo no Bravo Lyrics, engoma engekadrop music video actually, Bravo Lyrics engekadrop. So yeah, I'm excited to see what's next for Tolrick, because he's doing really well. And yeah, amefaka ku-Diddy status emamele ingoma kaTolrick kuFacebook. So that's big, i-celebrities are showing him love. So I'm really excited to see what's next for Tolrick. People are wondering, even himself is wondering uba le ngoma yakhe ithi Chomi, is it a blow up song na or what? So yeah, I'm really excited to see what's next for Tolrick. Yeah, and that was everything about the song named Chomi.